In this video, I'll show you the easiest way of drafting a basic bodice block. The first thing you have to do is fold your pattern drafting paper at the center, then draw a horizontal line on top, which is going to be your starting point. Then mark your shoulder measurement, divide by 2 by placing the measuring tape from one tip of your shoulder to the ends, then divide by 2. Then next you're going to mark your neck depth width measurements, which is taken by placing the measuring tape around your neck, then divide by 6. Then mark your neck depth, then curve your neckline like I'm doing. Then next you're going to slant your shoulder by 1/2 inch, then connect it to the neck width measurement. Then next you're going to find your armhole measurement by placing the measuring tape around your armhole, then divide by 2. So you're going to mark it right here. Then you're going to draw a horizontal straight line like I am going to do. Then you're just going to draw it, and the next thing I'm going to do is find your shoulder to bust measurement by placing the measuring tape from the tip of your shoulder down to your bust. Then draw a horizontal line across. The next measurement you're going to find is your shoulder to waist measurement by placing the measuring tape from the tip of your shoulder down to your waist. Then draw a horizontal line across. Then the next measurement is going to be your shoulder to full length or shoulder to hip measurements. Then you're going to draw a horizontal line across. Then the next thing you're going to do is find your circumference of your hip, circumference of your waist, divide by 4, of your bust, divide by 4. Then mark them like I am doing. So mark the circumference of your bust, waist and hip. Then you also have to add seam allowance. So for the busts, that's the same measurement you're going to add up there. Then connect the sides. You're also going to add your seam allowance and wiring is. So you're going to connect the points like I am doing. Then finally you need to shape your armhole. So you need to find the midpoint of the armhole line. So the midpoint here. Then on your midpoint you're going to go inwards by 1/2 inch. Then connect the 3 points together with a curve. Then I'm just going to show you guys how to cut it out. So this is how you make a bodice block. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this useful.